right here. We'll just wait on him. He'll figure it out and come back down here maybe. Yeah. The sign said no trespassing is gone. Well, I don't know. They got parking things marked down here, Elliot. Oh. But that valley, I bet that was a road at one time. I wonder where the bridge was.
Might be one of them deals where you just ride through the water.
But see, all this has got marked off for parking here, so.
Well, yeah.
Hey, look there, they had picnic tables.
Trash can, water fountain.
Yeah.
Look at that roof on that. Hey.
The siding don't look that old though, you know it, but look, now look how old that is.
Yeah. That roof shot shit. Sorry, the top plywood's rotten.
It was up there on the sign, I don't know. It had bathrooms here, men and women's bathrooms. Yeah. There's more picnic tables down there at the creek. That's where a path is. We're supposed to be walking on that path, I guess. That's how they used to drive up here. Yeah, so that's how the road used to be, right where them concrete picnic tables are. This is the Kilgore Fort house.
There's like a picnic table in there.
Is the door locked?
I didn't try it.
It's a horseshoe. It's half a horseshoe. Look at that. I mean, it is locked, but look at that. They cut a horseshoe in half.
Look at that lock.
Yeah.
That's old-timey as hell right there.
I don't think it is. I don't know what it is. I bet there's snakes under this.
Yeah, I think you were. I ain't gonna do it.
At least they got a round knob on this one instead of half a horseshoe. That's cool that they put rocks in the joints even. I ain't know that I've ever seen that. That's where they shoot out the little hole right there. There's a stairway going upstairs. Can't hardly see nothing in there though. Hey, look how it's got rock inside in the mortar there in between the logs. That's so cool. There's another one up there. driving right now. Yeah, probably. Feeling good, too. To get to the place, so it must be straight up that mountain in front of it. We don't feel moving. I think we're going to go left. That's the only thing. Yeah, we're going to go left there. Okay. Well, you know it's coming up this way probably. Okay. Yeah.